Hey my peoples, I haven't filmed a video in so long. It's ridiculous. But good thing is I'm almost done with pledging for my fraternity. It's been a long journey. And on top of that, I did my makeup today because one, I got a lot of new products. Two, I wanted to film a video. It's been a while. Three, need the stress relief. And four, need to get this trimmed up. Four, I have my cheer team dinner today because it was the end of our season about a month ago or so, maybe less. So we're just having our dinner to celebrate the season we had. So get it into this month. Well, this video. It's the what month it is? March Boxy Charm unboxing. So there was a really good box. I didn't like February's box too much. Partly why I didn't do a video on it. Second, I didn't have that much space on my phone, and I just got a new phone about a week ago. But you get this 25% off butter linden, 25 off 50 or more, and that does have an expiration date. And that 1 month, I think it's like July 1st, 2018. So this year. So you got a little bit of time to use that if you did get the box. But this month's theme is vacation. Bay Caution, and this is the card. It's really flowery. Luckily it's flowery, which means it's bringing me good luck for the spring, because I hate the snow. I hate the snow so much, it's like ridiculous. Well, jump into the box. The first thing that I saw, because I was stalking their Instagram page, usually I don't like to, so I can be surprised, but I was surprised when I saw this. I'm sorry if you don't see me for a minute, all the products are behind the camera, but it was this palette. There is a unicorn, but there ain't nothing on it. Mine still came in slightly broken. But it's the Boxy Charm and Pure palette. They teamed up, I guess, to make a palette. And it has beautiful colors in it. It comes with a mirror as well. You see my brown came in kind of chipped and broken right there. But I used some the colors to create this look today. They are kind of powdery, I will say. But I don't really mind that. You just have to type really lightly with your brush, like tap like that, like did you see that? Like that, because as you can see, there's like just powder everywhere. But I use this one to set my brow bone and eyeshadow primer. It's called Pure Effect, like perfect but pure effect. I'll put the names over here. And then I used Naked in my crease. This orangish color all up in my crease. I did add another color to darken it a little bit. What did I use? I used Charmer for all over the lid. I didn't even have to wet the shadow, and it appears like this. It's beautiful. It's perfect. I did carve it out with concealer though for the cut crease. Then I used Duet, which is this dark deep brown, and I did that on the outer corner. I just did it really lightly because I didn't want a dark look to this at all. I wanted it really bright and open. And then I use Mia, which is this beautiful blue. If you know, blue and purple are like two of my three favorite eyeshadow colors to use in the world. So when I saw this palette, I died. But I used this on my lower lash line very lightly, and I just like made it less harsh by using the color I use in my crease, Naked, to blend out the edges some. But it's a great palette. It is kind of dusty. I don't mind it much, but it's a great palette. It has great color pigment, as you can see by this color on the lid. But this is going to my top drawer. It's going to my top drawer, and it has color. You all know I'm fans of color. Next in the palette, not in the palette. Next in the box came Butter Linden Double Stacker Mascara. I used it today. You can't really see because I have on false lashes. You can kind of see on the bottom. It's alright. It's called the Double Stacker Mascara, and it says wow. Double drama, it says like right there. It's nothing special to me. It's just like a normal mascara. It doesn't like lengthen. It doesn't like separate. It kind of just, it's a black mascara. Like, it's just, what else can you say about it? It's a mascara. But this is the wand. It's really, there's a lot of product on it. So you do have to be a little careful on your lower lash line. But I have a big problem with that because I do it so often. It's just like when. But that retails for $20, and the eyeshadow palette retails for $36. Next thing in the box is South Main Beauty. It's the under eye gels. That comes in this right here, and it got the little price down the back with the little 3 directions. And it just comes with 3 packs of under eye gels. And I like them. I actually do like them. It says leave on for approximately 30 minutes, which I thought was a long time, but it takes me about 20-30 minutes to do my brows. So I was like, I'll just wear them while I do my eyebrows. And then it also says you get best results after 3 days of consecutive use, and you do get 3 in 1 pack. And this is what they look like. They're just like little jellies. They do stay on a lot better than the last jellies. I tried out the lip jelly, if y'all remember that. It stays on a lot better, I will say. And I wouldn't say I'll see a difference because it says it helps with dark under eye dark circles. I wouldn't say I'll see a huge difference, but I did see within that 30 minutes my eyes were a little bit more moisturized under there, and they weren't as sunken in because I have had very little sleep the last few days. But those are $10, and I actually really like those. I think I am gonna stay and do like the 3 days consecutively and see how I like it, see what happens. I might purchase more, might not, we'll see. The next thing that came in the box is the Vintage Cosmetics Company. Oh, they're a company now. Last I knew, they were just Vintage Cosmetics. But there's the Smoky Eye Makeup Brush Set, and I know if this is their first eye brush set. It looks very similar to some brushes I have from Luxie. I use this short shader brush on my lower lash line. It worked pretty well. They're pretty soft brushes. This one I didn't use much because I have like 4 brushes like this style already, and I just don't use them. They're just not my solid brush. I don't know what to use them for. And the third one is this just like packer. I would use this for if I'm doing like black liner on the lid, I want to smoke it out so I can put shadow on top of it, or if I just want to loosely apply a color on the lid, like not as precise as I did today, I will use that this for that. And they're pretty soft brushes, but they retail for $23.15. I feel like that's kind of expensive for these 3 brushes in specific because one is step 1. That's the last one I just showed you. It says for the money. Step 2 is the one I said I wouldn't use. It says for the shadow. Step 3 is go girl go with my boys. I'm a boy. But I don't see a huge purpose for all of these brushes. You might. I personally don't. I don't know what I would use all of them for. It's not worth $23 for me. They are good brushes though, I will say that. Next thing in the box is Pretty Vulgar. Came out with a blush. And look at this packaging. It's beautiful. It's so pretty. And it's a very pink blush. It took me a minute to figure out how to open it without breaking it because like I was struggling. I was like, I can't get this open. But there we go. But this is the color. It's in the shade Make Them Blush. I think that's such a cute name for this. I'm not wearing it today because I didn't think this bright of a pink would go with the look I'm wearing. I wanted something more to match the color in the crease. But let me swatch it on my ashy hands. I should have put lotion on. It's pretty true to color, it looks like. But let's share it out some. So that's what you would put on your face. I don't know if this will fit my skin tone unless I'm doing like a lot of pinks, or sometimes I like to use blushes like this color in my crease when I'm doing pink looks because it's hard for me to find a good pink shadow that shows on my skin, even though I am lighter skin tone for black person. How else do you say that? Black person. Someone of darker complexion. But that is $26, and I feel like you get a actually good amount of product in there. It's about the same size as the Mega Glow highlighters from Wet n Wild. It's about that size, and I feel like the pan's probably a little bit deeper. Not sure unless I dig into it, but I feel like it's probably a really good blush. I might give it away. I don't see myself using it too much, but that's the box, and I loved it this month because last month, no. But I did also, I went on Wish because for a long time, I've been wanting to do a video of, like, I wanted to buy a bunch of Wish makeup from the app Wish and just test it out. I didn't want to do something too much for eyes because that could be iffy. I didn't want to do too much for lips. That could be iffy even though I did buy a lip product. And sorry if you hear my fan running. I forgot to turn that off. But 3 of the products came in today. I actually ordered a lot, but they all come at different times, which I don't like. And sometimes they take a long time. The shipping on the website's off. But the thing that matters is that I got my products with a somewhat predicted time they will come. So let me start. Oh, God, no. Okay, sorry, I hit the camera. See, first, let's start with this Handelalia. Handelalia. Well, basically, it's just a glitter liner. It's blue, and I really love this. As you can see, it outlined my cut crease, and it's such a beautiful color. It has such high pigment. Because you know, sometimes you get glitter liners, and they be like, oh, skipping and stuff, and you get like two dots of glitter when you did your whole eyelid. Like sometimes the NYX glitters do that, to be honest, but like we ain't going there. But this you don't have that problem with. I did do 2 layers, but on first layer it's very colorful. Let me do a swatch. Like it's already high pigment. Like look at that. Look at that one swipe. It's really good. I feel like you get a lot more product in here than you probably would in the NYX gel. What is this? Crystal liner, sparkle liners, or the that wasn't the NYX one I had, was it? It wasn't. I don't think it was. It was the Ulta Beauty ones. You do get a lot more. But blue's my favorite color for eyeshadow, so there's a big chance it's not going to last me more than a week. Next thing I got are these lashes. These are actually the longest lashes I've ever worn. I can say that. But I wanted to experiment with longer lashes. My friend Ladaria, she's like my best friend. She wears really long lashes. They look so good on her. But I've never tried lashes this long before personally. And look how long. Look. You see how long? You see how long these is? You see how... Is it... What? Is it longer than my eyebrow? Can I compare it to that? But like they are pretty long. I feel like they went on really easy. I'm wearing them right there on the eye. They went on really easy. I did have to trim a little bit off the front corner. I always had trouble with my front corners wearing lashes anyway. Like, to be honest, I might have to take them off because my inner corners of my eyes water really badly. So, due to that problem, my inner corner always lifts. Sometimes the outer corner, but it always lifts like maybe even 2 minutes after I apply lashes, and they're like secure. And it's really a shame. It gets on my nerves. But they are really pretty lashes, as you can see. Longest I've ever worn, and I might have to buy more of these. Took a long time to come in, but I might have to buy more. And the third thing that's come in so far of all the stuff I bought is this. I don't know how to explain this. You know those little jewels? As you can see, there's one right here and one in there. I got a thing of them, of black and the just regular crystals. And I thought these would be really cute because I know this is like really in the style of putting like the little crystals. I don't want to go too overboard because I am going to a dinner today. They say it's overboard, but it's not overboard for me. But I didn't want to go too overboard just putting crystals all over my face. You know, like Kenny D did when she walked into the workroom, RuPaul's Drag Race All-Stars 3. You see, she had mirrors all over her face. But if you watch that. But I just got a thing of black and just normal crystals because I thought they would be really cute to incorporate into makeup looks, especially like all over the lid, like a crystal liner or just something really cute. And it also came with this this pencil, like this color pencil, this white color pencil. It's like wax. Basically, it just helps you pick them up really easy individually. But I will say with the glue, it does make it hard to attach them because it'll just come right back off with the pencil. But it does help a lot than trying to like get tweezers and like it helps a lot more. But that's this bit. Hold on. But that's this video. Thank you for watching my Boxy Charmer unboxing. If you like videos like this, you want to see me do looks like this, request them in the comments. Give me a subscribe. Share this with your friends. And that's it for this video. I'm Face by Trevi. You have a good day. Watch and subscribe to something. One of them's on one side. Subscribe over here or something. Watch a video over here. But I'll see you on my next one. Bye. Look at my eyes.